If your tax season files live in emails, camera rolls, and random folders, this is why you're exhausted. Tax prep usually means late nights, lost receipts, and manual data entry errors. It's a mess, and frankly, it's a huge audit risk. But what if you could turn that chaos into a clean digital file system instantly? Enter Wondershare PDFelement. It isn't just a PDF tool, it's an AI-powered tax assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a paper receipt on your phone, use OCR to make it editable, and then fill out and e-sign your actual tax forms directly on your device. No printing, no pens, no lost numbers. We are going from messy receipts to audit-ready PDFs in minutes using AI. It's time to simplify your document workflow. Click the link in the description to download PDFelement for free and optimize your tax season. Let's dive in.
Welcome. First of all, you have to download the software onto your device, which is what I'm going to do right now. When you come down here, you'll see that this particular AI tool does a whole lot of things. It has amazing AI tools that allow you to actually chat with your PDF. You can use AI chat, summarize PDFs, translate PDFs, perform AI grammar checks, and a whole lot more. You can edit your PDFs, and you can convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and any other format. You can as well perform OCR on any scanned document. Yes, you heard that right. You can create PDFs from scratch. You can e-sign any document right in PDFelement. Okay, and when you check here too, you can also protect your PDF. You can protect your files in this particular tool. All right, I'm going to download the software onto my device. So I'll come down here. This tool is a multi-platform tool, okay? So you can have it on your Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and PDFelement Cloud, as well as online tools. All right, but since I am currently on a tablet, I'll go ahead and download the Android version. As you can see, I've already downloaded it onto my device, so what I'm going to do is open it up. Once you open the app, you'll see an interface similar to what you are seeing right now. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the tools available in PDFelement. When it comes to tools, you'll see AI tools. It has Chat with AI, Chat with PDF, Translate PDF, Generate Mind Map, and AI Record. Okay, they have Recognize PDF, where you can perform OCR, text-only recognition, and Receipt Assistant. You can convert your PDF to image, Word, PPT, Excel, or HTML. You can also convert from PDF to JPEG. You can also create with a template, scan, or start from scratch. As you can see here, you can organize PDFs, merge PDFs, split pages, crop pages, adjust margins, and even give your PDF a watermark. You can also compress PDFs, scan enhance, and flatten PDFs. And here is the good part. You can as well protect your PDF. All right? You can protect your PDF by giving it a password, or you can also request an e-sign, and it has digital signatures as well. All right, so to start, I'm going to scan a document. It could be a receipt or any document that you have. You can scan it in your mobile app, which is your mobile PDFelement app, and then it will sync with your laptop or your computer. Good, so I'll come here, and under Create, you'll see Scan. All right, so I'll click on Scan, and I'm going to scan this Hisense warranty detail. Okay, I'll scan it. Good, and I'll crop it. Once I'm done cropping it, I'll hit OK. All right, so it will open like this. Under Recognize Text, I can perform OCR right here on this particular scanned document. So I'll click on OCR PDF. You can convert to searchable text in an image or convert to editable text, okay, anyhow you want it. You can also select the language that you prefer. The document was in English, so English is already ticked. I'll select Convert to Editable Text. That is, if you want to edit something in that particular receipt or the document that you just scanned. So I'll click on Recognize, and it will start performing what it knows how to do best. Let's give it a moment. All right, so the OCR is done performing. I'll open it. Okay, so just like this, you can edit the text on this particular document. You can also extract images from this scanned document. So let's say I want to edit this Hisense text here. I'll click on it, and I'll click on Edit. With this, I can type whatever I want. See, I can remove the Hisense. I'll give it a space, Hi Whiz. Something like this. You see? Good. So when you are done editing whatever you want to edit, you simply have to save it, and there you go. So now, let me show you how to fill your tax forms with PDFelement. All right, I already have this tax form here, which I am going to show you how to fill the right way. Okay, so now as you can see, this is how your normal tax form looks. Make sure you have all the details available. You can click on this edit sign here, so everything here can be edited. You don't have to write anything manually. Everything can be edited. So like the name over here, I can edit it to anything. Let's say Frank. Okay? And the last name as well, I can edit it to anything that I want. All right? Yes, social security number as well. You can change the date to anything, like the date of birth. If the person is deceased, you can tick it. Basically, everything can be done here, as you can see. Good. And when you are done, you can sign here. This has an e-sign feature, so you can sign here. Simply click on it and click on Fill and Sign. Basically, a window like this will pop up where you can stamp or sign. Okay, so with the sign, let me show you a temporary sign. So something like this, something small like this, and with this, I have to tap here, okay? And I'll bring it to where I want the signature to appear, like over here. Make it a bit smaller. You see? So that's how you sign right in this tool. When you are done, you click on OK, and your signature will be shown here. You don't have to use any pen and paper. You can do everything right here. When you click on these three dots here, you'll see it has other features that you can actually perform right on this particular tax form. You can summarize the PDF, translate it, convert it, perform OCR, text-only recognition, receipt assistant, scan enhancement, and even add a watermark if you want to. Or you can set a password to protect this particular file so that only you can access it. And also, when you are done with everything, you can simply go ahead and save a copy, print it out, or you can simply share it to wherever you want. All right, so if you are someone who works with PDFs a lot, sometimes you might want to merge some PDFs. So with that, you'll come to Organize PDF, and right here you can click on Merge PDF, and you select the PDFs that you want to merge. Okay, so let's say I want to merge these two PDFs, or let's say these three. I'll simply select all of them, and then I'll import. Good, and I'll click on Merge. All right, so these are different types of PDFs, and now they have become one, as you can see. Now, if you also want to convert PDF to any format that you want, you click on Convert here, and you select the PDF that you want to actually convert. So I'll go ahead and I'll do that. All right, so with a PDF selected, you can decide to convert it into any of these formats. You can change it to any of these formats, either Microsoft Word, Docs, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, JPEG, PNG, EPUB, or TXT. So let's say I want to convert this particular PDF into PNG. I'll just click on that, and I'll click on Convert, and our PDF will be converted into PNG. All right, once you are watching this on Big Wiz Media Channel, you should know this tool isn't just a standard tool. We're all about AI tools. PDFelement has incorporated AI into this tool, which is going to change how you manage and use PDFs. So let's say I want to actually use the AI tools. I'll open one of my PDFs right here. Okay, so with this opened, you can actually chat with AI. If you check here, you can see that Chat with PDF. And what this does is you can actually ask anything in this particular PDF. You can ask it to summarize the content of the PDF, ask what are the key points in this particular PDF, and a whole lot more. Okay, so let's say Summarize PDF. Let's see what it gives. And just like that, you see it has actually summarized what this particular PDF is all about in very short sentences. All right? Good. And you can ask further questions about what this PDF entails. And one good thing is you can select the model that you want to use. You are not stuck with only one AI model. You can go for DeepSeek V3, ChatGPT 4.0 Mini, this one is the Pro, and then Gemini 1.5 Pro, as you can see here. Good. Okay, so another thing is you can also actually translate this PDF using AI. Okay, so if you check here, you can see that we have Translate PDF right here, meaning you can translate this PDF into any language that you want. So let's try it and see how it turns out. Target language, you select the language that you want, so let me select German, okay? And I'll hit on Translate. Let's see how it turns out. So if you check here, you can see it has been translated into German, just like I wanted it. All right, I am not German, but you can see it has been translated. So you can see over here. I'm still not done with the AI features. Okay, so let me show you one thing with PDFelement. You have something called PDFelement Cloud, where all the documents that you have scanned are being stored across platforms. Okay, so with this, there is this Samsung AI versus Apple AI file right here. I'll click and open it. All right, so you can highlight any text here. When you click on any text here, all right, and click on AI tools, you see Summarize, just like we did before. You see Translate, you see Grammar Check, and you see Rewrite. This can rewrite everything that I've highlighted. Let's give it a try. You see, if I don't like the outcome, I can rewrite it again, or I'll copy it and I'll replace it with what I have there. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to download PDFelement to start exploring this amazing tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.